Zomp means you have 134 days off. Yellow-green means you have 133 days off. Vivid malachite means you have 132 days off. Vivid lime green means you have 131 days off. Viridian green means you have 130 days off. Viridian means you have 129 days off. Very light malachite green means you have 128 days off. University of the Philippines forest green means you have 127 days off. UFO green means you have 126 days off. Turquoise green means you have 125 days off. Tropical rainforest means you have 124 days off. Teal green means you have 123 days off. Tea green means you have 122 days off. Spring green means you have 121 days off. Spring bud means you have 120 days off. Spanish viridian means you have 119 days off. Spanish green means you have 118 days off. Sheen green means you have 117 days off. Shamrock green means you have 116 days off. Sea green means you have 115 days off. Screamin' green means you have 114 days off. Sap green means you have 113 days off. Sacramento State green means you have 112 days off. Russian green means you have 111 days off. Rifle green means you have 110 days off. Pullman green means you have 109 days off. Pistachio means you have 108 days off. Pine green means you have 107 days off. Phthalo green means you have 106 days off. Persian green means you have 105 days off. Peridot means you have 104 days off. Pear means you have 103 days off. Pastel green means you have 102 days off. Paris green means you have 101 days off. Palo Vernese green means you have 100 days off. Pale green means you have 99 days off. Pakistan green means you have 98 days off. Olivine means you have 97 days off. Olive drab means you have 96 days off. Olive means you have 95 days off. Old moss green means you have 94 days off. Office green means you have 93 days off. North Texas green means you have 92 days off. Neon green means you have 91 days off. Napier green means you have 90 days off. Muggle green means you have 89 days off. Michigan State University green means you have 88 days off. Moss green means you have 87 days off. Mint green means you have 86 days off. Mint means you have 85 days off. Midnight green means you have 84 days off. Mindoro means you have 83 days off. Medium spring green means you have 82 days off. Medium spring bud means you have 81 days off. Medium sea green means you have 80 days off. Medium jungle green means you have 79 days off. May green means you have 78 days off. Mantis means you have 77 days off. Malachite means you have 76 days off. Magic mint means you have 75 days off. Lincoln green means you have 74 days off. Limerick means you have 73 days off. Lime green means you have 72 days off. Lime means you have 71 weeks off. Light moss green means you have 70 days off. Light green means you have 69 days off. Lemon lime means you have 68 days off. Lawn green means you have 67 days off. Laurel green means you have 66 days off. LaSalle green means you have 65 days off. Kombu green means you have 64 days off. Kelly green means you have 63 days off. June bud means you have 62 days off. Jade means you have 61 days off. Islamic green means you have 60 days off. India green means you have 59 days off. Inchworm means you have 58 days off. Illuminating emerald means you have 57 days off. Hunter green means you have 56 days off. Hooker's green means you have 55 days off. Harlequin green means you have 54 days off. Harlequin means you have 53 days off. Guppy green means you have 52 days off. Green yellow means you have 51 days off. Green cyan means you have 50 days off. Green means you have 49 days off. Granny Smith apple means you have 48 days off. Government of Ontario green means you have 47 days off. Generic viridian means you have 46 days off. French lime means you have 55 days off. Forest green means you have 44 days off. Fern green means you have 43 days off. English green means you have 42 days off. Emerald means you have 41 days off. Electric lime means you have 40 days off. Electric green means you have 39 days off. Dollar bill means you have 38 days off. Deep spring bud means you have 37 days off. Deep moss green means you have 36 days off. Deep jungle green means you have 35 days off. Deep green means you have 34 days off. Dartmouth green means you have 33 days off. Dark spring green means you have 32 days off. Dark sea green means you have 31 days off. Dark pastel green means you have 30 days off. Dark olive green means you have 29 days off. Dark moss green means you have 28 days off. Dark jungle green means you have 27 days off. Dark green means you have 26 days off. Citron means you have 25 days off. Chartreuse means you have 24 days off. Celadon green means you have 23 days off. Celadon means you have 22 days off. Castleton green means you have 21 days off. Caribbean green means you have 20 days off. Camouflage green means you have 19 days off. Cal Poly green means you have 18 days off. Cadmium green means you have 17 days off. Bud green means you have 16 days off. Brunswick green means you have 15 days off. British Racing green means you have 14 days off. Bright green means you have 13 days off. Bottle green means you have 12 days off. Bitter lime means you have 11 days off. Bangladesh green means you have 10 days off. Avocado means you have 9 days off. Asparagus means you have 8 days off. Artichoke means you have 7 days off. Army green means you have 6 days off. Apple green means you have 5 days off. A green means you have 4 days off. Android green means you have 3 days off. Amazon means you have 2 days off. Acid green means you have 1 day off.